Hi there! In this video I'm going to introduce you to the task calendar in Husky. Under tasks you can find a calendar to make your personal task planning. All tasks are situated on the left. You can filter them on the due date here. The tasks in red are overdue. The other ones get the color of the status of the task. Plan your tasks in the calendar via drag and drop. If a task has a time block in your calendar already, the number of hours planned are displayed in the task on the right. Also, the task is blurred a bit. To complete a task, you click on it and tick the box. Completed tasks won't appear in the list anymore. This number next to a day of the week tells you how many tasks you need to complete on that day. If you click on it, the task will appear on the left. To go to the next or previous week, you can use these arrows. To go to a calendar of one of your colleagues, you can click on your name and then find the right colleague. Next, you can choose to see weekends in your calendar or to hide the weekends. I generally recommend to enable the weekend so that you can see the working week at all times, even if the sidebar is open. Secondly, you can synchronize this calendar with your Outlook 365 calendar or your Google Calendar. If you haven't done this already, you can click here to start the synchronization. If you have synchronized your calendar before, but would like to make some changes, go to User Settings and then Integrations. Here you can also choose to hide meeting titles to coworkers in Husky. Finally, to go to the list view of your tasks, click on this button. This is all you need to know about the task calendar. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact us via the green chat button.